Alright, this is a story of a girl. Her name doesn't need to be mentioned. She was beautiful in the eyes, a body no one could describe. But look, deep down inside, this was a story. Look,
she was 5'5" with brown eyes. Was around her, said she was so fine. She was smart, she was funny, no one denied. No one knowing of the story that was inside. She was quiet when it talked to a single kid. Then the boy came up, he was wondering if he could hit it from the back. Then his boys went and laughed. LOL, thought it's funny, but they didn't know her past life. She was raped at the age of 5. Tears coming down, looking in her father's eyes. And her mom would always say, I don't love you, go away. You were meant to be aborted, so you really a mistake. Look, never thinking you had any worth. Living her life, she regretting her birth. So gone from the memories, addicted to the pain like it's nicotine. Look, can't take all these memories. Addicted to pain like it's nicotine. Addicted to pain like it's nicotine. Addicted to pain like it's nicotine. Yeah, can't take all these memories. Addicted to pain like it's nicotine. Addicted to pain like it's nicotine. Addicted to pain like it's nicotine. Couldn't find love at home, so she took it to the streets. Coming home every day, moms was getting beat. Really hard to say, she was only 13. She was getting high every day, smoking on them trees. Look, not enough, yo, weed is too weak. Upping up the dose, taking methamphetamine. Hoping that one day she would lose the memories, but her eyes bloodshot, she remembered everything. Woke up in the ER, feeling like she just had a bad dream. But then the doctor came in, said we had to run the test. And I'm sorry, ma'am, you diagnosed with HIV. Tears struck, she was so gone. Hadn't really cried, Joe, in so long. Praying to God that something would change. Down on the floor, she was screaming his name. Let me tell you, the way you was treated wasn't right. People taking advantage, coming and going away from your life. Baby, you can go and achieve whatever you want. Baby, go and live your life, you can be whatever you want. Knew you was certain, knowing your past was a burden. I knew you was certain, taking the love as a burden. Baby, you can go and live your dreams, but you was addicted to pain like it's nicotine. 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 Yeah, can't take all these memories. Addicted to pain like it's nicotine. Addicted to pain like it's nicotine. Addicted to pain like it's nicotine. Got out about 1 week later, asked for a favor. Got some heroin, was addicted months later. Pops locked up, moms died from cancer. Didn't really care when to live any longer. Walked down the street, decided to take a seat. Some boys popped up, you already know the scene. When he said that, you know what she did that night. Took a gun, put a bullet to her head. Dang. What you thinking? Smoking on the dreams, never believe, addicted like nicotine. Hoping that one day you can achieve all of your dreams. Yeah.
this song for all those people out there that have been through stuff. This goes out to the girls out there that have either been raped or have gotten something because they've been raped, or they've been through something or have gotten addicted to something because of their past. Don't let your past affect your future. And this song goes out to all them dudes out there that y'all need to learn to respect women, man. Cause in truth, you don't know what they've been through. That's all I'm saying. Much love. Prodigy.
Memories, addicted to the pain like it's nicotine. Look, can't take all these memories. Addicted to pain like it's nicotine. Addicted to pain like it's nicotine. Addicted to pain like it's nicotine. Yeah, can't take all these memories. Addicted to pain like it's nicotine. Addicted to pain like it's nicotine. Addicted to pain like it's nicotine.